What a strange time we live in now. Because never did I think it will come to be that so many of us have lost the ability to see one another. Locked in our houses, isolated, choosing not to see and to be with one another. A distance is placed when I thought I had to get closer. But for the first time, I'm closer than ever. The distance between me and you is lost, for I'm really together with you, and I'm held by you too. For you and me have come together to hold. For in this, I'm saying, I love you, and you are saying, you love me too. And we are saying, we love. Just being separated, this lesson is learned. The heart is awakened. The truth of love is lived. I wash my hands. I cover my face. I keep a distance. But I'm closer than ever. One humanity standing together to fight this. COVID-19, you have no chance. We are coming to get you, and you are done. And by the way, thank you for reminding me I love. And you love me. And we love too. One humanity, we stand, doing what we can from where we are. In considering me, I consider you too. Just love. I guess this is what it means to be a friend to mankind, to be a friend to all humanity. What a strange time we are in now.